Hello, good morning dear students. Today we are start our third question of exercise 2.1. Question number 1 and 2 we have already finished. Now question number 3, what is given in a magic square? It is a square given, okay? It is a magic square. Why it is magic square? Because the sum of number in each row and sum of in each column along the diagonal is the same. Is this a magic square? We have to find it will be magic square if sum of each row. Row means it is first row, second row, third row, and sum of each column are first column, second column, third column, and sum of each diagonal. These are diagonal. Okay, diagonal. Everyone know now in rectangle diagonal it is diagonal. Okay, so it is diagonal, and sum of the each diagonal is also equal. If sum of each row, sum of each column, and sum of each diagonal are equal, then you can say that it is a magic square. So you have to check it is magic square or not. So how will we check it is magic square or not? To write. First we write sum of first row. How many rows in this square? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So sum of first row, how much? 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So how will we add fraction? By taking LCM. What is LCM? If all the denominator are same, so LCM is as it is. You can write 11. Yes, you can find LCM. 11, 11, 11. So 11, 1, 1, 1. So what is LCM? 11 into 1, 11. Understand it? So LCM is 11. So write LCM 11. So LCM divided by denominator. 11 divided by 11. 1. So 1 into 4 plus 11 divided by 11. 1 multiply by 9. Already you know in first part we already learned how to find, we take LCM and how to solve the fraction. Next, LCM is divided by denominator. 11 divided by 11, 1, and 1 multiply by denominator. It is, so what is come? 1 into 4, 4 plus 9 plus 2 divided by 11. It means we observe that whenever all the denominator are same, so when we take the LCM, so 11 is LCM, 4 plus 9 plus 2. Only in which, only we will add direct numerator. We will add direct numerator in case when denominator is same. Understand? So it is become 9 plus 4, 13, 30. So what is sum is? 15 by 11. Same as it is first row, we already finished. Now second row. So write sum of second row. Sum of second row is 3 by 11, 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. How much? So first, how will we add fraction? By taking LCM. LCM is 11, and again we observe that all the denominator are same. So you can add direct numerator. Only in one case, when all the denominator are same. So 3 plus 5 plus 7. How much? It is 15 by 11. Same as it is sum of third row. When you take the sum of the third row, it is also come 15 by 11. Do yourself, okay? Add the third row yourself. Next is sum of first row we already find. Second row, third row. Now column. So sum of first column. So sum of first column, how much? So sum of first column 4 by, which one is column? It is column. First column 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. It will come 15 by 11. It is also will come 50 by 11. Same as it is, we will find sum of second column, sum of third column. Okay? And after this, we will find sum of diagonal. It is diagonal. It is diagonal. It is. So sum of first diagonal you will find, and same as it is of second diagonal. It is second diagonal, and you will check it. Sum of diagonal is also is come 15 by 11. So we observe that here sum of each row and sum of each column all are equal. All are equal. If all are equal, it means it is a magic square. So in last line you write yes, it is a magic square. Understand? There is a space problem. That's why I find the sum of only 2 or 3 rows. Rest of do yourself. And in last you will write yes, it is a magic square. Understand it? Now question number 4. Now question number 4. A rectangle sheet of paper is 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 and 2 centimeter wide. Yes, in mixed fraction always write like this one. It is 1 upon 2. Always we will write whole in middle. Okay, but some students are write like this one. 12, 1 and 2. It is wrong. Always we will write 10 and now 2 in the middle. Like this one. Okay, don't write like this one. It is wrong. Understand it? So now look at. So we have to find, it is a rectangle and everyone know what is perimeter. It is length, it is breadth. We want to find perimeter. In perimeter in 6th class we already learned. What is perimeter? Some total length of outer boundary. It means what is total length? It is outer boundary. It is perimeter. So perimeter L plus B plus, it is L length it is. So L plus B plus L plus B. Okay. So we will find, first we will find length of rectangle sheet. How much? 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter. Okay. And 12 and 1 by 2 centimeter write in, change in fraction. So 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 centimeter. Same as it is, we will find breadth of rectangle sheet. How much? 10 and 2 by 3. 10 3s are 30 plus 2, 32 by 3 centimeter. So now perimeter. Perimeter of rectangular sheet. How much? And formula of rectangular sheet perimeter 2 into L plus B. We have, everyone know. So now 2 bracket. What is 25 divided by 2 plus 32 divided by 3. And now 2 fraction. These are 2 fraction, and 2 fraction always how can we add? By taking LCM. What is LCM? 2 into 3. LCM is 6. Find LCM yourself. Next step. LCM is divided by denominator. 6 divided by 2. How much? 3. 3 into 25. Same as it is. LCM is divided by denominator. 6 divided by 3. What we get? 2. and multiply it by numerator. Okay, I am writing here now. 2 into 3 into 25, 75 plus 2 into 64. Now it is and divide by 6. It is become 2 multiply 75 plus 64. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3. Divide by 6. You can cut 2, 3. So it is 139 divided by 3. You can write in mixed fraction also. 3 4 ja 12. 3 6 ja and what is remain? 1 and 3 centimeter. So how much perimeter? 46 and 1 by 3 centimeter. Understand it? Now we will do next question. Question number 5. Now question number 5. In question number 5 we have given a figure. One whose upper side is triangle and down side is a rectangle. So we have to find first is find perimeter of triangle. It is mean triangle. Which one? Triangle A B E. So triangle A B E. How much? And perimeter mean dear. Perimeter of triangle mean sum of all three sides. It means it is perimeter. Perimeter is always total length of outer boundary. It is outer side. Yes. So find the sum of AB plus BE plus AE. So you can find AB is how much? 5 by 2 plus BE 3 and 3 by 5 plus ABE. It is AE. Okay. Now BE 2 and 3 upon 4. So you can write 5 upon 2. Change in fraction. 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 3 18 divided by 5 plus 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 8 into 3 8 plus 3 11 divided by 4. Can you add yourself it? Yes. We will add. How will we add? By taking, if there is more than 2 fraction, you can. If there is also more than 2 fraction, how can we add? By taking LCM. Taking LCM all of these 3. Okay, and find its perimeter. Next, find yourself its perimeter. Next, second part is given rectangle BCD in this figure whose perimeter is greater. So write perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is how much? Is 2 into L plus B. What is 2 into L is how much? It is length CD and it is also length. So 2 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 11 upon 4 plus breadth is 7 by 6. So find it. How will we add? By taking fraction. So when you find the perimeter, its perimeter is come 20 is LCM. 20 is LCM. So 2 5 25 50 plus 2 36 plus 55. Okay. Oh no, it's 5 72. Taking its LCM. Okay, it's come. I'm writing here. It will come its LCM is come 20. Okay, LCM 5 for the 20 come. Okay, 2 10. So 50 plus 72 plus 55. So it will come 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 5 70 divided by 20. So it is perimeter of a rectangle. 177 divided by 20. Same as it is. When you will find, it will come 12 is LCM. Everyone know how to add the fractions. 4 3 33 plus 12 divided by 6 2 14. Now it is come 2 multiply 33 47 by 12. 2 cancel 6. It is 47 by 6. And now he is asking whose perimeter is greater. So this perimeter and this one, which one is greater? We cannot compare directly. First we make a denominator is same, and denominator is same. How to will make? By taking LCM. So do yourself this question, okay? Important question also, but if you have any problem, ask to me, okay? But try yourself. It is very important question also, okay? Next question, question number 6. Now, question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Salil wants to picture in a frame. Suppose it is a frame, okay? It is a frame. It is a frame. Everyone know we put the picture in frame or not? Yes. Picture a frame. The picture is, and it is a picture, okay? Picture is, so how much should, and picture is, it is picture, okay? It is your picture. 7, its length is 7 by 5 centimeter wide, okay? It's your picture. It is, suppose it is your picture, and it is how much wide? 7 and 3 upon 5 wide to fit in the frame. We want to fit this picture in this frame. It is frame, okay? It is frame. Cannot be more than, to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 and 3 upon centimeter. It means width of the frame is 7 and 3 upon 10, because picture cannot be more than. It means the picture is cannot be, we can take more than 7 and 3 upon 10 centimeter. So it means it's very simple here. One more example I am taking. Suppose it is your frame, okay? Frame breadth is 5 centimeter, and it is your picture, and picture breadth is 6 centimeter, and you want to put this is a picture in frame. So it means it is 6 centimeter picture, but frame only 5. So it means we have to. So how much should the picture trim? Trimmed means cut. So how much picture we will cut? We will cut some, okay? How much? Because it is 6 and it is 5. So what is the length of the picture? Minus 5. How much? 1. So it means we have to cut 1 centimeter width of a picture. Because if we cut 1, how much it is become? 5 centimeter. And 5 come easily in frame. Yes, because width of the frame also 5. So it means we will subtract total width of picture minus width of frame. Okay. So look at here. So first we will find width of picture. Width of picture how much? 7 and 3 upon 5. 7 5 are 35 plus 3, 38 5 divided by centimeter. Same as it is. To fit in the frame, picture cannot be more than. It means width of picture required. How much required? Otherwise you can write in place of width of picture required, total width of frame. How much? 7 upon 10. So how much? Divide by centimeter. Okay. Now how much should the picture be trimmed? So write length of picture be trimmed. How much? It is very simple question. Suppose dear it is your picture, okay, and it is 5 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter, and it is your frame, very small. It is only 3 centimeter width. So how much we will cut? 5 minus 3, 2 centimeter. Same as it is picture 38 upon 5 minus, because which one we want to trim, which one we want to cut? Picture. It means breadth of picture is more. So it is 38 upon 5, 73 upon 10. Now we will take LCM. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. 10 divided by 5, 2. 2 multiply by, what we get multiply by denominator. 10 divided by 10, 1 into 73. It is 76 divided by 73 divided by 10. How much? It means 3 upon 10 in centimeter. So how much picture we should be trimmed? 3 upon 10 centimeter. So you will try question number 7 and 8 also. Yes, your homework is, you will do yourself example number 1, 2, 3, 4. All example you will do yourself. Example number 1, 2, 3. It is your homework also. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.